In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable editing on Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch a spreadsheet to read-only or give people full editing access, all in a few clicks. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. At the top right, look for the grid icon made up of small dots. That's the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the menu of Google Services. From that menu, choose Google Sheets. This takes you to your Sheets home, where you can see recent files and templates. Open the spreadsheet you want to manage. If it's not on the screen, you can search for it by name or open it from your drive. Inside your spreadsheet, move to the top right and click the Share button. This is the control center for who can access your file and what they're allowed to do. A sharing window will appear, showing people who already have access, and a section called General Access. To disable editing for general viewers, go to General Access and change the role to Viewer. Viewer means read-only. People can open and read the spreadsheet, but they won't be able to type, delete, or move anything. This is great when you want to preserve data accuracy or share a finalized report. If you see an option labeled Anyone with the link, setting that to Viewer makes the file safe to distribute broadly without risking unwanted edits. For added control, you can keep access restricted and only give specific people viewer roles. If you ever need to re-enable editing, go back to General Access in that same share window and switch the role to Editor. Editor grants full editing rights. Users can type in cells, insert and delete rows, format content, and make other changes. Use this when you're collaborating actively and trust the recipients to modify the file. If you want a middle ground, remember that Commenter allows feedback without changing data. Though today we're focusing on fully enabling or disabling edits. After choosing the permission you want, click Done to apply your changes. The update takes effect immediately. If collaborators already have the sheet open, they might need to refresh to see the new permission level. When you're ready to share, you can copy the link from the share window, but always verify the access level first to avoid accidental editing. That's it. Open Sheets, hit Share, use General Access to pick Viewer for read-only or Editor for full control, and click Done. Quick tip: if you want to lock only parts of a sheet, consider protected ranges later. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.